Hey guys, it's Pauline. So I picked up some things from the November drop, and so I thought that I would share them with you. And let's take a look at what I picked up. I picked up several things. All right, so let's go with this one. Oh, so this is actually from an earlier drop, but they had put this on sale. Now I really wanted this purse, but I had already got that compass, and I had already got the plaza, which I haven't used yet, in this color green. But I really like this one. But I talked myself out of buying it, and I'm glad I did, because this went down in price. So I think this was like $113 or $119 somewhere up in there. And when I saw it, I was like, okay, I'm getting it now. Even though, oh, I didn't realize this was that shiny leather. I don't know if I necessarily am going to enjoy that, but we'll see. I ordered another bag, y'all, with this shiny, crinkly leather, this kind of patent leather. It's not bad. It's not what I was expecting, but it's not bad. I don't know how I didn't see that. I guess I was just blinded by the green and the gold. This green and this gold is just, they are just made to go together. It's so pretty. I think they made a good choice putting this in the crinkle leather, even though I don't particularly, I don't know if I would have bought it had I known it was this. Because I'm not a fan of patent leather. But then again, with the price, I probably would have taken a chance on it. But normally, I don't care for patent leather because it gets all sticky once it gets older, and it's like gross. But hopefully, this is such a higher quality that it's not going to do that. All right, so take a look at what we got here. So pretty. Look at that green and that gold is just so pretty. Excuse me. I have had allergies, and I have had like a really bad cough for like a month now. And I'm finally getting over it. Look at how pretty that gold is. And I'm usually a silver girl, but this is just gorgeous. I'm happy with this. It's so pretty. Now, it wasn't what I expected, but now that I have it, and now I don't feel as bad for having this because it's different than the other things that I have. So, yeah, this is so pretty. All right. Oh, let's see. So we got the little shoulder strap out, and so now we also get the crossbody strap out. I guess I haven't seen anybody unbox one of these. So, really cute. All right, so let's look in here. And then the cow print that I thought was just going to fly off the shelves, they actually marked it down to get rid of it, which I'm really surprised about. So I already have this particular style. I don't know what it is about this style. I just love it. So I got this in denim. I got this in peach. And now this green, and I have it in this that cow print. And if y'all are looking for it, just in case I put this video up in time, I will link it if it's still available. So that cow print is on sale too. It's so pretty. So we got that little slip pocket in the back with the little creed on it. And this kind of partially comes out. So maybe you can clean it better. I like that it's green on the inside too. I really like this. I'm really happy that I picked this up. And I'm really happy at the price. So did y'all pick this up too? So I would love to hear what y'all think about this. All right. Talk to you later. Bye.